So this is the pound USD analysis based on EOD, end of day trading. Yeah, as you can see here, we've just received a signal tonight. Well, not tonight. It was tonight, but it was yesterday, the Monday, the 2nd of October. Now, let's just see where prices opened. Prices opened at 32.70. Okay, let's just work with that. 32.70. So if I grab down the charts and stick that there, and if I change a color, don't want to mix it up with any other colors we have, and let's just see. Could I use a pink? Yeah, we'll use a pink. And let's just change 32. What did I say it was? 32.71. 32.71. Let's just get that in there. 32.71. Go. 32.71. That's our proposed entry on this. Based on this system, that's our entry. If we can get a better entry, because we've had retracements, we do take that. Now our stop should be placed at the high of the signal candle, and the high would have been 34.02. So let's just get on there as well. 34.02. Let's just see. 34.02. Ideally, I want this thing to move over a lot quicker than it has been moving over, actually. So, the height of this candle is 34.02. Let's just get this right. Sorry about this slow movement, but I'm a bit sleepy. It is 1:16 in the morning. So, yeah, let's just get this done correctly. And if I was to change this to say a red, right? So change that to a red. So if prices go up to 34.02, what would that mean? 34.02. If it goes up to 34.02, that should be the end of this this end of day trade. 34.02 is 100 and should be about 129 points ish. 129 points is my stop. Now, thing is, where prices are currently trading, you could say it would be an area where we should look for support, but the system requires me to take the trade, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So potential downside targets, we are looking at a daily chart, and 31.41 to the downside appears to be a target. We've also got this moving average here at 30.70, and we've also got prices did. Let's see where they. 29. Is that 20? Is that 29? Yep. So if we do break down below all those levels I've just mentioned, so below that 50 period moving average, in and around the 31 level, and also 30.61, it wouldn't be too unreasonable then to see expect prices to go all the way down to 29.25. Back when we did, before we had this strong bullish breakout run. So all the way down there, potential levels. Now we're more likely to see a bounce off this moving average, which was at 30.66. Now let's have a look at the higher time frames and the overall trend. I've just been given a short signal. which again is at top of the range, isn't it? So we have broke from the previous range. We've continued upwards, and but we seem to be in a strange place at the minute, because last month did finish bullish. We are breaking out of the previous consolidation and lows, so I did expect further continuation this month, but the month is still pretty young, so this could just end up as a week by the time we get to the end of the month. Plus, also, if you look at the hour last month ended, we did sell off a bit from the highs, so this could just be a continuation where prices proceed upwards, but with a bit of a pullback on the weekly time frame. Let me just have a look to see where we are. Again, we've had lows, we've had higher lows, and yeah, we're expecting, it does appear that we're going to have a third consecutive week. That's right, a third consecutive week of bearish price action. Now, to the upside, again, I was looking at potentially targeting the 3650 level, being in and around where the Brexit weekly candle closed. But at present, we are pulling back on this weekly time frame. We would be looking at 34 would be potentially what I'm looking at, but I'm just going to wait to see how prices develop. The difficulty in taking this trade is it's near the high on the most recent push up in the market, so we could still potentially see let's have a think here. It's pretty much almost selling the top, except you only get a signal after you've lagged quite a bit in prices. And let's just get that right. Let's just go out to say, just bear with me a second here. Pound USD, and let's just have a look at this. Let's just see what levels I've marked at. It's been complete for a minute. So 31.47, 29.83, so 29.83 and 27.74. Those are levels which are pretty far away, but let's just get this correct. If I go to the pound dollar, so yeah, I've just mentioned the levels all the way down to 27 on the pound USD. Sorry about that pause there. I was just thinking about something. So yeah, I suppose I shouldn't be looking at the 1 hour chart on this end of day trade. So I've marked where my stop would be, and I showed where I expect prices to be. So it's just a case of sitting and waiting and being patient with this. Obviously, if we do beat the if we do, instead of selling off, reverse and take out my trade, then so be it. There will likely be another trade coming up, because that's how market participants make money. Like, they buy and sell particular instruments, and for them to make a profit, there has to be some volatility. So that's what I expect on the pound USD end of day trading. Thanks for watching. And before I go, LCS. Thanks.